What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Pitts, finally back at you, man. We're going to come back in a very vicious fashion with some consistency for your ass, man. I'm trying to tell you. Watch how we get back in the rhythm. I've been trying to get my freedom a little bit, and I finally obtained it after going through a couple of last-minute things with this new addition to the family coming in. So, you know, we're going to make it do what it do. Right now, we're just going to do a daily review of what's happening in the market, man. Just on the Monday, November 8th, for the USD, we got Fed Chair Powell speaking. FOMC member Williams speaks. We got a couple more FOMC members speaking in the afternoon. But realistically, this is looking like it's going to make the dollar a little bit bearish. We always saw some price action with gold spiking up, which probably meant the dollar shot down. So we'll keep an eye on that. I definitely have my eye on the dollar rebounding though, and gold taking a big drop eventually once it runs these even highs up top. But we also have some Euro news and JPY news if you trade these markets, some AUD news, some GBP news. Nothing really major. It's a Monday, so we're not really looking for too much to happen. We'll look for positions more again on Tuesday and Wednesday and get back to it. But, yeah, man, you guys stay safe out there, man. These markets are volatile right now. Anything could happen, man. The market could crash. You never know. Any given day. There's no reason why anything's even up. I don't know, man. So, yeah, let's stay together. Shoot your comments to my messages and Telegram. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please like, subscribe, and share. That's all I ask y'all to do, man. I don't need any donations. All I need you to help me like up these videos so we can engage the algorithm so they could start promoting my videos so that we can get more people on the platform so that we can bring you more free content for a very long time. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a very blessed day.